When chairing a meeting, the chairperson plays a crucial role in facilitating effective communication, maintaining order, and ensuring that the meeting achieves its objectives. In this video, I'll share a list of important considerations for a chairperson to keep in mind. Hi there, this is teacher Linda G with a few tips on how to chair a meeting. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's get started. We are talking about how to chair a meeting today. And when you're the chair, you need to understand meeting goals. You need to grasp the meeting's purpose, its goals, and agenda to guide discussions effectively and to stay focused on the desired outcomes. You also want to prepare. Thoroughly review the agenda, thoroughly review the documents, the materials, the reports, what you'll need for the meeting. Do this before the meeting to steer the discussions, to answer questions, and to handle unexpected issues. And you probably know this, but you know that punctuality matters. Start the meeting on time. So important. This shows your respect for participants' schedules and sets a tone of organization. As the chair, you also want to welcome participants. Introduce everyone, especially new attendees. You want to create a welcoming environment. And of course, you also want to ensure that everyone knows each other well. Sometimes you might ask them to go around the table and to introduce themselves instead of you introducing everyone. And finally, set ground rules. Establish and communicate meeting rules such as speaking order and respectful behavior to maintain order and ensure productive discussions. By following these tips, the chairperson can lead a very effective and successful meeting. The chairperson can lead discussions, maintain order, and successfully achieve the meeting's objectives. So for more great videos, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Talk to you soon now. Bye.